Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the controller is paired and has charge. If it isn't, plug a USB cable. Once ready, press and hold the Xbox button on the controller for about 2 seconds. You'll see the guide appear. That's your control hub. Make sure not to tap quickly. Holding gives the menu the time it needs to register. This step forces the console to present power options, which is necessary because the front power button can behave differently under updates or sleep mode. Once the guide is open, move to Profile and System, then select Power. You'll see multiple choices. Pick Turn Off Console to initiate a full shutdown. Confirm any prompt if one appears. Sometimes the system asks to verify. After you select it, watch the indicator on the console. The status light will change and the fans will slow. This ensures a clean shutdown, preserving files and preventing corruption, unlike unplugging, which risks data loss or longer recovery. The final step is to confirm the Series S fully powers down. The front light goes out, and you no longer hear fans. If the console is unresponsive to the controller, press and hold the console power button for about 10 seconds to force a shutdown. Once it's off, wait 30 seconds before reconnecting power or turning it back on. This clears residual charge. If problems persist, try a different controller or a hard reset, only after powering off to avoid damaging saved data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.